Hi, I'm Shan. I'm a bra design and fit expert here with the wonderful Josie Jane today. She is a lingerie influencer. You can find her on Instagram at @IamJosieJane. Today we're going to be looking at Playful Promises bras and how they fit in comparison to other brands, so you know that you're shopping for the right fit. We're going to be comparing bras from Curvy Kate, Panache, Pour Moi, and from the Playful Promises sub-brand Desjardins. These are all going to be in a 30GG, which is Josie's size, so you can see how the bra fits in comparison to other brands.